War that is escalating in the Middle East. Israel claims Hezbollah fired about 230 projectiles. Beirut's southern suburb, a stronghold of the Iran-backed armed group, Hezbollah came under renewed strikes near midnight after Israel ordered people to leave their homes in parts of the district. Now, the US is discussing strikes on Iran's oil facilities as retaliation for Tehran's missile attack on Israel. US President Joe Biden has said, while Israel's military has hit Beirut with a new airstrikes in its battle against Lebanese armed group Hezbollah. Now, soon after the comments were made by US President Joe Biden, oil prices jumped 5% over concerns about the Middle East after Biden spoke. A rise in oil prices could be hugely damaging for Biden's Vice President Kamala Harris as the Democrat confronts Republican former President Donald Trump in a November 5 election, where the cost of living is a major issue. My colleague Sakshi Bajaj is joining me on the phone line for more on this. Sakshi, tell us, what are the implications of the oil spike after Biden made this comment?
Well, absolutely. Firstly, as you mentioned, as per initial reports coming in, US President Joe Biden, when asked by reporters whether the US would support an Israeli strike on Iranian oil facilities, has quoted being saying that, look, in quote, we are discussing that, and I think it would be a little anyway. So this is as per initial reports coming in. But remember, there is belief that world leaders will look at options for cooperation and peace at large. So one has to wait and watch really what happens on that front. However, escalation of fears based on such comments has led to an overnight jump in crude oil prices. Remember, till yesterday we were talking about Brent crude nearing $75 a barrel. And this morning, we are seeing Brent crude prices at nearly $78 a barrel. So a significant jump in oil prices at large. Remember, concerns on supply chains being affected, trade being affected, cannot be negated at large.